Have you given this some thought? Like, how ready are you right now? Okay, should something happen in your life, should your job retrench you, should you get in the United States, they talk about laid off, should an emergency happen, you need anywhere from in South Africa, 20,000 to 50,000 Rand. If you're watching from anywhere else in the world, you need about let's say $1,000 or $2,000 extra in order to get you through the month. Are you prepared for that, my friend? By the way, if you are not, give this video a like. I don't know which way it's going to be. I think it's maybe this way. Give this video a like and let me know in the comments if you are not. Now, if you are interested and you would like to start changing your financial future so that you can get prepared for these sessions, my friend, these unexpected events, should they happen. Hi there, my name is Errol, just an ordinary dad and family man who came across a step-by-step system that's assisted me in generating thousands of dollars online. Now, it never used to be like this. I worked extremely long hours, sometimes till 2 o'clock in the morning, and I wake up at 5 to continue the day. Now, besides that, I was stressed out of my mind. I was literally physically and mentally drained, and I was just a miserable being. And finances was always a problem. Now, I slowly but surely started finding a way out. And if you want to know more about what it is that we do on a daily basis to succeed financially, comment yes and let me share the info with you.